चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट. As we were discussing synthetic fibers and plastic, right? And we discussed the different polymers, right? We discussed, the chapter name is synthetic fibers. And in synthetic fibers, we were discussing about the polymers. Right? We were discussing about polymer. हमने करे थे rayon, nylon, polyester. Now, as yesterday, some of the student asked, I told you PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate. I think in your NCERT book, it is given polyethylene terephthalate. So you can write anyone. ठीक है? Cross नहीं है. That is not wrong. As yesterday we discussed polyethylene terephthalate, but in your book it is given polyethylene terephthalate. That both are correct. कुछ नहीं. ठीक है? उसकी नेमिंग में है. नेक्स्ट लिखिए एक्राइलिक फाइबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज एक्राइलिक फाइबर. इट इज ऑल्सो man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. It is man-made or synthetic fiber. Man-made or synthetic fiber made from, yeah, it is formed from petroleum. Man-made fiber prepared from petroleum. Prepared from petroleum. Right? Now characteristics. अगर ये man-made है तो डेफिनेटली ये स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. ठीक है? नेचुरली वी विल ऐड द क्वालिटीज इन इट. राइट डाउन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. स्ट्रॉन्ग. स्ट्रॉन्ग. सेकेंड लिखो सॉफ्ट. थर्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग. हाँ, आप लिखो सॉफ्ट. लिखो सॉफ्ट. नेक्स्ट लिखो इट कैन बी डाइड इजीली इन डिफरेंट कलर्स. इट कैन बी डाइड इन डिफरेंट कलर्स. It can be dyed in different colors. It is less expensive. It is less expensive as compared to natural wool. It is less expensive as compared to natural wool. Durable. Is it clear, bete? Write down the uses. Write down uses. First likho, it is used to make clothes. It is used to make clothes like sweaters, shawls, jackets. Sweaters, shawls, jackets, blankets. Sweaters, shawls, jackets, blankets. ठीक है? मेन इसका एक ये सारे में मैंने इकट्ठा लिखवा दिया है. इसको यू कैन राइट डाउन. इट रिजेंबल टू द वूल. मतलब ये दैट इज वी कैन से जो एक्राइलिक फाइबर है, दिस इज वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी लाइट इन वेट, बट इट हैज अ वार्मथ. ये बहुत गर्म होता है एज वूल लाइक फील. जो आपको वूल पहनने पे, नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू नो Now we are having the different blankets and different quilts होती हैं, light in weight होती हैं, लेकिन these are having like they give us the proper warmth. So these are made with the acrylic fibers. Some अगर हम observe करें, now these days the wool we are obtaining, है ना, sweaters are very light in weight, जबकि पहले जो sweaters होते हैं बड़े heavy से होते थे, ठीक है. Now the sweaters are light in weight because these are made with the acrylic fibers. Is it clear बेटे? Is it clear? Right? नेक्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक है एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर. एक ही है दैट आप उसको यू कैन सेपरेट लाइक दिस. इट इज यूज्ड टू मेक द ब्लैंकेट्स, स्वेटर्स, शॉल्स, जैकेट्स, कर्टन्स, कुछ भी. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ synthetic. Now you will tell me what are the advantages of synthetic fibers. चमक होती है. लिखो wrinkle free. Write down. लिखो बेटा. In exam all of you have to write down the full sentence. I am just writing the hints. Wrinkle free और elasticity, good elasticity, durable, stretchable elasticity हो गया ना, easy to wash और वो सारा हो गया, और less expensive. हाँ क्या कह रहे हो? और moth resistant,
lightweight,
और ड्यूरेबल, लेस एक्सपेंसिव, मोथ रेजिस्टेंट, और क्या हो सकता है? लाइट इन वेट. यहाँ आपका तो स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया हमने, स्ट्रॉन्ग लिख लो. देन राइट डाउन हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ लिख लो. स्ट्रॉन्ग की जगह पे एक इकट्ठा कर लो, हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ. हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ. अब हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ में there is one activity how we will show that the synthetic fibers are having a high tensile strength. I'm going to explain that activity. Just try to understand. After that we will perform the activity in the class also, right? But we will do high tensile strength. How we will prove that these fibers are having a high tensile strength? What we will take the different type of fibers. Understand? We will take a different type of the fibers. The material that we will require, that is the different fibers as well as the stand. On this stand, what we will do, we will hang a piece of the fiber like this. Okay? This fiber may be cotton, this may be wool, this may be synthetic fiber, that is nylon also. We will take the three different fibers. We can take wool, we can take cotton, as well as we will take the nylon fibers. Now what we will do, we will join with the weighing plate के साथ. ठीक है? On this weighing plate, when we are taking, ये हमारे पास कौन कौन सा हो सकता है? Maybe cotton we can take, और wool और nylon. ठीक है? इन तीनों में से 3 हम fibers बार बार यूज करेंगे. After that what we will do, we will put the weight on it, weighing machine पे. As we are putting the weight, if this is the cotton fiber, it immediately breaks, right? After that, as we will take the wool, वो भी एक दो weight डालने पे break हो जाएगा. When we will add the weight and the nylon fiber, ठीक है, it will not break. ठीक है, nylon fiber break नहीं करेगा. What is the meaning of the tensile? That it can hold more weight without breaking. The substance that can hold more weight without breaking, that is called the tensile strength. As we had discussed, when we used to dry our clothes or hangs the cloth on the wire also, so wire will not break. That means it has a high tensile strength. ठीक है? Or as you know, the climbing ropes, ठीक है, या parachutes, right? All these, when we are like, agar main bhi chahu, if I want to do the paragliding and all that, these are having the nylon fibers, so it will not break because they can hold more weight, okay, without breaking. So when we will put the weight on it, so when we are doing it with the help of cotton, it will break. Wool, it will break. But when we will do the synthetic fiber, that is nylon, it will not break, which shows that the synthetic fibers are having the high tensile strength. Is it clear, bete? ठीक है. One another एक advantage है, that is also the activity, less absorption of water, as we discussed about. These will not, synthetic fiber will not absorb more water. They can dry easily. So what we can write down, how we will show that. Okay, we will do it in the different way, but with that we will discuss tomorrow, right? For the meanwhile, now all of you will do the test. Now take out the test sheets. Set A, right? Those will, matlab those, they will give the set A, and the rest one is the B. Set A, start from there.